Hey all, welcome to Bro Billionaire. This is your own Raghu bringing you another exciting video on scalping. Hope you all were able to make use of the simple scalping technology, which I showed you on Sunday, which was based on this N. A candle goes, next candles pulls back within this candle and then breaks the high of the candle. That was a logic I said, and there were a lot of trades yesterday and today in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if you have not watched it, please do watch and do like, share, subscribe, and comment to our channel. Now today, what am I going to tell you? This is scalping based on Camarilla pivots. Now why Camarilla? Why not floor? Because Camarilla, it tells you the level. See, R3 below is selling, S3 is buying, S4 is buying, below S4 is selling. It's a breakout. Above R3 is buying, above R4 is breakout, below R4 is selling. So you have the levels which tells you selling and buying. Because of this, it is very useful. If you want to learn about Camarilla, there are several videos we have shared on YouTube. You can watch and master all the strategies. Now this is for scalping. 2 minutes, 5 minutes, but I'm going to show you on 5 minutes. And what are we going to use today? We are going to use Rob Hoffman's inventory retracement bar. No. Before you jump to conclusion, I'm not going to use Rob Hoffman's complete strategy, but I'm going to show you the price action on the inventory bars. And one of the most easiest way to scalp, which I used to scalp, but I thought that if there is an indicator, it will be very useful for our audience to trade. So that's the reason I came up with the Rob Hoffman's. If you don't know about Rob Hoffman's strategy, inventory retracement strategy, he's one of the what do you call a pioneer, modern day pioneer in trading, and this strategy is award winning, and he has won about 30 competitions. And unfortunately, this indicator is available only in TradingView. Now, if you type Rob Hoffman, I will tell you what is Rob Hoffman's strategy. This is actually his strategy. Do you see this? But we are not using this. I'm using the first one, Rob Hoffman's inventory retracement bar. What exactly this inventory retracement bar tells? That's all. So we are not completely using this indicator, but I am using an inventory retracement identifying indicator. Do you see these blue and green arrows? These are the indicators which we are using from the trading view. Once again, I'll tell you, you go to trading view, type Rob Hoffman, you're going to select Rob Hoffman's inventory retracement bar. And under inventory retracement bar, if you go to inventory retracement bar, I don't want a retracement price line. Got it? I'm just removing the price line. All I want is I want to identify these candles. Now, if you just see in a downtrend, we will be looking for green bars. So those green bars are our entry points. Means below the green bar will be our entry point. In an uptrend, if market is in uptrend, we will be looking for red bars. Now, why red, why green? Do not get confused. Now, this inventory bar, how it is identifying here is, if a candle open to close is less than 45%, it qualifies for the inventory bar. Now, see here, in the downtrend, we have a reversal pin bar. Now, you know from price action point of view, reversal pin bars are what? Price getting rejected at the bottom, right? Price is getting rejected. Now, in a downtrend, when price, see, this is a very strong reversal pin bar, and this is a very strong reversal pin bar. But when this price is taken out, who is showing the strength? It is bears. What is the ongoing trend? It is downtrend. So the entry below these bars will be high probability. That is how scalping is done. That is exactly this simple strategy we are going to use for scalping. And what are we going to use? We are going to use again a 20 SMA and 5 EMA, right? Now, why we are going to use 20 SMA and 5 EMA is just to be on safer side. I want you to capture the only the momentum. So 5 EMA is the fastest EMA and it captures the momentum in the market. You don't need any other indicators. Please don't mix and dilute it, and don't go through YouTube and start following all different strategies. No, we don't need that. The idea is we have Camarilla, which will tell you what level it is and what's gonna happen, and using that insight we will be using these 45 percentage bars, you know, and below that we are going to take the trade and make money. Hope it is simple enough. You have to keep the trading system simple. The more simple it is, the more effective it will be. Simplicity is the highest level of sophistication. Quote by Buddha. Understand? Now let's watch this. So price opens near R3, below R3 is selling, right? Below R3 is selling. Now we'll wait. Okay, it is following 5 EMA. As soon as it is below 5 EMA, you know it's a momentum candle. No need to wait for 20 SMA. This is common sense. But anyway, if you're confused, you can wait for 5 SMA to break the 20 SMA downside or upside. Now it has broken. Now what are we going to look in a downtrend? We are going to look for a green bar. It's a green arrow. Do you see this arrow? This is the green bar. Once you see this arrow, our entry will be below that, 1 or 2 points below that. So once this trade is executed, now you know you can go for 5 points or 10 points. It is up to your risk to reward. Usually people go for 1:1 because my stop loss is high of this candle. So calculate the length of this candle and go for 1:1 or 1:2 with the number of points you are risking. That is how I trade. Sometimes I just go for 5 points. Like in the previous strategy I told you, 5 to 10 points, whichever comes first, I'll book it, exit. You can use that kind of scalping also. So remember, in a downtrend we'll look only for green bars. Now you scalp, you will wait. This is trend. If you want a 5 EMA and trend, that's a different strategy. But I'm looking for scalping. See here, we have green. Below this, your trade will trigger a candle closing below on 5 minutes basis. See here, you have this. Now reversal pin bar, reversal pin bar. This is a double bottom in a strong downtrend. So everybody wants to go short, but when will you go short? By using the scalping method, you will be going short below these green bars and you'll be making money. So this is a reversal pin bar, but your stop loss is what? Your stop loss is above the previous green bars, the green arrow bars. So your stop loss is not hit. Below this, you have money. Below this, you have money. We are not going to wait. Now, once this level is broken here, see, you have more money. You understand? Hope it's not confusing. We are looking for price rejection candles in a downtrend where market can reverse trend to upside. But instead of reversing, the bears will come and break those price rejection candle, which will be your entry point, and you're going to scalp the point. Simple enough, right? It is simple enough. Very, very exciting. Now these are sideways. Whenever a 5 EMA is again 20 SMA up and down, I would say avoid. But still, if you're a risk taker in an uptrend, what you will do? A red bar. It's a price rejection red bar. When 5 EMA is moving away from 20 SMA, watch for these candles. And when this candle gets broken, this candle low will be a stop loss. You can go for scalping and make money. Understand? That is how you have to do. This is, we don't have a sideway market. Basically, I want you to avoid such sideway markets. Sideway market, you know, there's no good risk to reward. Now watch this one. After big twist, what kind of candles we are watching for? Green. This is a green arrow. Below that, a trade is triggered. This is price rejection. Below that, trade is triggered. So we will just see one more in an upside, and then you are good to go. Right. So if you're not at subscribe, like, please do share, subscribe. See, this is very strong uptrend, very easy to follow. But say for XYZ reasons, you're not able to trade. What are the candles we are looking in an upside? Red bars. Red bars. This is red. about this is your trade triggering. This is red. We are not going to worry about green bars. In an uptrend above 20, above 5, we will look only for red bars. Once it breaks, your trade is triggered. Understand? Till the nth minute. Instead of chasing wherever you want and getting afraid. Now, yesterday market was in uptrend. I told one of my friend is moving upside, you can enter, and I got busy because it was a Monday. I was busy with my office work. He entered twice because market pulls back, so he exited. Even in an uptrend, there was a 80-90 point uptrend right yesterday. So this fellow lost money, 10-15 points, because he was afraid to hold. Volatility is increased, so market always goes in zigzag direction. Now if you are that kind of a person, then this is the strategy you need to follow. If my first simplest strategy, which I shared on Sunday on scalping, if you are afraid to use that, because it also works, you have 3-4 points of stop loss. I haven't seen any strategy like that. I personally use it, very simple price action, and if you wait patiently, you can make money. The other thing is this one. See here, you're getting price rejection, market is going down. Instead of blindly taking shots, you know these are price rejection, you can wait. It will also tell you, okay, the price is getting rejected, then downtrend can resume only after its bars are taken out. Similarly, upside, this price is getting rejected at the top, the trend can resume only when this is broken upside, right? That is how you can use it for multi-purpose, multi-utility. So here we have a lot of price rejection, but below 20 SMA, once above 20, there's no trade, it is sideways. This is also sideways. So sometimes you have to wait. See, it helps you to avoid wrong trades also. But in a trend, it will tell you when to end. See here, after a strong gap, you have an inside bar. What does inside bar means? Pause. It's a pause. Market can pull back or reverse. So these bars are telling you price is getting rejected. Now once bear starts pushing it down near 5 EMA, you have money. Another one. Sorry, we want only green, right? Okay, here it might hit your stop loss because it is end of the day. Use your imaginations and timing, when to enter, when not to enter. It will help you. In upside, we will look only for red bars, scalping. So the reason why I'm telling you for scalping is not to use for trend. Scalping works faster, 5 to 10 points. You can focus on your work. So use this, back test it. I have done it. It works wonderfully well. As shown, you can definitely make money because there is a price action behind it. Hope you understand the price action. And if you like it, please do like, share, comment. If you don't like also, you can comment. I'm open for feedback. Hope you can make more money using this strategy. Thanks all. Have a good day. Bye.